All right, our practice. So we're going to solve the following equation when a equals 12. All right, so we're going to substitute in this a for 12. So first of all, we can rewrite it as 5 squared minus 12 minus 4 plus 2 times 12. Because remember, a equals 12, so we're going to put that 12 in here and in here. And this one means 2 times a, or 2 times 12. Order of operations. Do we have any parentheses? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. PEMDAS. Do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. Inside the parentheses, we have 5 squared minus 12. 5 squared means 5 times 5. That means 25 minus 12. I'm going to bring everything else down. Times 12. Remember, this parentheses means multiply, same as this dot. That also means multiply. All right, any more parentheses? Yes, we still have 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 13 minus 4 plus 2 times 12. We're done with our parentheses. We're done with our exponents. Multiplication and or division. Yes, we have multiplication. 2 times 12. It's going to be 24. Bring everything else down that we didn't use. We're done with multiplication and division. Now we do addition and subtraction. Left to right. 13 minus 4. So 13 minus 4. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. And then add 24. 9 plus 24. 24 plus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 2 and 3. So you get 33. So our answer is going to be 33. All right, let's take a look at the next one. So we're going to identify the correct solution or solutions that will make each given inequality true. So what we're going to do here is we're going to see, all right, if a number minus 19, remember 4 is going to be smaller than a number minus 19. So if we have 20 minus 19, that equals 1. So is 1, if I put a 1 here, if I cross that out and put a 1 there, is 4 less than 1? No, 4 is not less than 1. Let's take a look at the next one. If I have 22 minus 19, 19, 20, 21, 22, that's 3. Is 4 less than 3? Or equal to 3? No. How about 35 here? Minus 19. 35 minus 19. Let's see. 35, 19. 3 becomes a 2. 5 becomes 15. 6 and 1. We get 16. Is 4 less than 16? Yes. 4 is less than 16. Now let's take a look at the next one. Let's do purple. 21 minus 19. 19, 20, 21. That's 2. Is 2 less than 19? I'm sorry, is 4 less than 2? Whoa. 4 less than 2? No. How about 65? Okay, so let's do blue. 65 minus 19. Let's see. 65, 19. 6 becomes 5, 15, 6, 46. Is 4 less than or equal to 46? Yes, it is. So we have 2 answers here. We have C and E. That's it for our practice. Great job.